So this is another one of my spontaneous trip. We got up the morning and we decided that we were gonna make a trip on the road. Not even know where we plan to go and stay.
Wherever in the world you're listening me from,
We stopped at one of the holiday inns and totally forgot that not all of them provide breakfast. So, needless to say, after we checked in, we understood that they do not provide breakfast, and we were very disappointed. Now, that is a room, very basic, and it's expensive than the ones we stayed that provide breakfast. So that's a very, very basic room. It has two rooms. We really don't need two rooms. And the bathroom is very, very basic. It's not a walk-in shower. They have a tub. Yes, that's basically it for the room. Wasn't really pleased. After we kind of showed our disappointment, they gave us two breakfast tickets. So we didn't have to pay for the breakfast. After we had breakfast, my glucose shoot up to 150. Now I almost freaked out. And that's what we had for breakfast. So we had fruits, we had egg, toast, and sure. So I had to take it off to the gym. And I went to gym and I exercised for maybe an hour. I did the bike, I did the upright elliptical, I did the treadmill, and I did the full body machine. I think that's the name of it, the full body machine. After we exercise, of course, I was really tired. I rechecked my glucose, and my glucose did decrease. Exercise is very important with it is important overall, but more so when you have diabetes, you after meal we have to try and move to get that glucose to be uptake in the muscles and in the cells. So that's it. And after I'm done, I went shopping. Of course, I am so happy because I'm now down from size 16 to a size 12. And at the end of the video, you'll see me modeling my jeans, my size 12 jeans.
I quit.
So people also want to touch a little on a video that I've seen going around on YouTube about two English girls. I think they're in their 20s. Got invited to Jamaica, came on vacation, and eventually got locked up.
2 minutes.
So they're now in Jamaica, I understand, for about 18 months because they were charged for drugs. And they said that they didn't know that the drugs, somebody gave them a gift to take back to England. And of course, they were unaware. They have no clue, so it's not their doing. And that's what they said. But as the saying goes in Jamaica, young bud no storm. Young bud no storm. So them no experience. No. Everybody should know that you do not take things to carry abroad. Anywhere you go, Wherever you're going, do not take anything from anybody to take where you're going. Now, if they weren't, as them say, some young people young and dumb. Because why would you want to be taking sneakers from Jamaica to go to England? Look into it. Why would you want to take sneakers from Jamaica to go to England? Mm-mm. And so the persons that invited them and took good care of them, they said, gave them these sneakers. And when they checked in, they were pulled out of the line, and lo and behold, there was drugs in the sneakers. No, that couldn't catch me because that don't make no sense. Why them not buying the sneakers in England, and England supposed to have better sneakers than Jamaica? Mm-mm. So you see, young people, they really don't think. And this is a lesson that all young people should learn. It doesn't matter if it is your friend, no matter how close you think you and them be, do not take it. Because if they are really your friend, they should respect whatever you believe in. So, doesn't matter how close you are, don't take it. As a matter of fact, none of my friends, and I've had friends for years, cannot give me anything to take back home. I am not taking nothing from nobody. Time is too serious.